What is the best age for retirement? The best age for retirement varies depending on individual circumstances, preferences, and financial readiness. There is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. However, I can provide some general guidelines and factors to consider when deciding on the best age for retirement. Financial preparedness. One of the most critical factors in determining the best retirement age is your financial situation. Consider factors such as your retirement savings, investments, pension plans, and Social Security benefits. Make sure you have enough funds to sustain your desired lifestyle throughout retirement. Health and well-being. Your health plays a significant role in the decision to retire. If you're in good health and expect to remain active, you may choose to retire earlier to enjoy your retirement years fully. On the other hand, if your health is a concern, you might consider working longer to ensure access to employer-provided health care or to increase your retirement savings. Personal goals and aspirations. Reflect on what you want to achieve during retirement. Some individuals may dream of traveling the world, pursuing hobbies, or spending more time with family. Consider whether you can achieve these goals with your current retirement savings and if retiring at a certain age aligns with your aspirations. Social Security benefits. The age at which you start claiming Social Security benefits can significantly impact your retirement income. You can start receiving reduced benefits as early as age 62, but waiting until your full retirement age, typically between 66 and 67, depending on your birth year, or even delaying until age 70 can increase your monthly benefit amount. Employment satisfaction. If you genuinely enjoy your work and find it fulfilling, you might choose to work longer than the traditional retirement age. Continuing to work can provide not only financial benefits but also a sense of purpose and social connections. Employer policies. Some employers have specific retirement policies, such as offering early retirement packages or requiring retirement at a certain age. Be aware of your employer's policies and how they might impact your retirement decision. Life expectancy. Consider your life expectancy and family history of longevity. If you have a longer life expectancy or come from a family with a history of living longer, you may want to ensure that your retirement savings will last throughout your lifetime. In summary, the best age for retirement is a personal decision based on a combination of financial readiness, health, personal goals, and other individual factors. It's essential to plan and evaluate your situation carefully before making this significant life decision. Consulting with a financial advisor can also be helpful in assessing your financial readiness for retirement. What should I do after retirement? After retirement, you have the opportunity to embark on a new chapter of life filled with possibilities and experiences. Here are some ideas and suggestions on what you can do after retirement, along with elaborations on each option. Pursue hobbies and interests. Retirement provides you with the time and freedom to explore your passions and hobbies. Whether it's gardening, painting, photography, playing a musical instrument, or any other interest you've always wanted to explore, now is the perfect time to delve deeper into these activities. Engaging in hobbies can bring joy, relaxation, and a sense of accomplishment to your life. Travel and adventure. Retirement opens up the world for exploration. Consider traveling to places you've always dreamt of visiting. Whether it's a local road trip or an international adventure, traveling can provide you with enriching experiences, exposure to different cultures, and the chance to create lasting memories. Volunteering and community service. Giving back to the community and making a positive impact can be incredibly rewarding. Consider volunteering your time and skills to charitable organizations, schools, hospitals, or community centers. Volunteering not only benefits others but also provides a sense of fulfillment and purpose. Start a second career or part-time job. Retirement doesn't necessarily mean you have to stop working altogether. If you still enjoy working or want to explore a new career path, consider starting a second career or taking up a part-time job. It can help you stay socially engaged, provide extra income, and keep your mind active. Stay active and healthy. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is essential during retirement. Engage in regular physical activities, such as walking, swimming, yoga, or any exercise you enjoy. Staying active not only improves physical health but also boosts mental well-being. Join clubs and social groups. Seek out clubs or social groups that align with your interests. Whether it's a book club, hiking group, dance class, or a club centered around a particular hobby, these social interactions can lead to new friendships and a sense of community. Spend quality time with loved ones. Retirement allows you to spend more time with family and friends. Strengthen your relationships by organizing gatherings, taking trips together, or simply spending quality time with your loved ones. Take up education and learning. Continuing to learn and expand your knowledge can be intellectually stimulating. Consider taking classes or enrolling in workshops on subjects that interest you. Many universities and institutions offer programs specifically tailored for retirees. Focus on health and wellness. Prioritize your health and well-being during retirement. Schedule regular checkups, eat a balanced diet, practice mindfulness or meditation, and get sufficient rest. A healthy lifestyle will enhance your enjoyment of retirement. Explore entrepreneurial ventures. If you've always wanted to start a small business or pursue a creative endeavor, retirement can be an opportune time. Whether it's selling crafts online, consulting, or launching a small venture, follow your entrepreneurial dreams. Remember, retirement is a personal journey, and the key is to discover what brings you fulfillment, happiness, and purpose. Embrace this new phase of life with an open mind, a sense of adventure, and a willingness to explore new possibilities. It's your time to make the most of each day and create a retirement that aligns with your unique aspirations and desires.